Hi, my dear student. How are you today? Are you good? Excellent. Welcome to our English class. For today, we have a new topic. Our topic for this class is second conditional. And our objective, to analyze the grammar that we use in second conditional. When do you use second conditional? We use the second conditional to express hypothetical situation or unlikely scenarios, okay? Nosotros usamos el segundo condicional para expresar situaciones hipotéticas o muy poco probables, casi irreales, ¿ok? The second conditional is formed by two clauses, the would clause and the if clause. If is followed by a verb in past tense. If the verb to be is used, then it is usually to use were for all subjects, not was. En el segundo condicional unimos dos gramáticas, dos oraciones con diferentes gramáticas. Una va a utilizar el past simple y la otra va a usar una oración que mantengamos el verbo would, ¿ok? El modal verb would or could, ¿sí? Pero en esta clase vamos a ver solo con el would. It is so important. If the verb to be is used, we have to use for all the subject were. For example, I were, you were, she, he, and it were. They were and we were. ¿Ok? Cuando utilizamos el verbo to be en pasado simple, en el pasado simple, en el segundo condicional, todos los pronombres, todos los sujetos van a ir con were. ¿Ok? Don't forget that, it's so important. Let's start. Second conditional. We have to join two sentences. The first sentence with past simple and another sentence with would, the modal would, okay? When you want to join this sentence, you have to put the comma in the middle of the both sentence, okay? If she studied hard, comma, she will pass the test. If the sentence is using the if clause, you have to put comma. And the sentence is in past simple. Why? Because the verb is conjugate in past simple. Study, studied. Okay? You have to change the verb in past. In this case, study is a regular verb. You have to add ed in the final, according to the rules. And then you have to write the sentence with would, and when we use would, the modal, the verb is in the base form. Let's analyze this example. If she studied hard, comma, she will pass the test. This sentence is using the second condition. Okay? The next, look at this. She will pass the test if she studied hard. In this case, we can change the sentence, okay, the order. But what is the difference? In this case, you don't have to use the comma if the first sentence is using the modal would. Only when you use the if clause, the sentence has comma. Okay? Let's practice second conditional. In this case, I will learn to ride a motorcycle. If you have to choose what is the correct option, was or were. 16. What is the correct option? What do you use? Was or were? Okay. And now, please, we have to analyze this. In the first part, the sentence is using the modal verb would. Okay, for this reason, in this case, we don't have to use comma. Como la oración primera que estamos viendo utiliza el modal verb would, nosotros no ponemos coma, ¿ok? Solo si estuviera if primero en la oración, ahí sí, ¿ok? And what is your answer? Was or were? Okay, what is motorcycle? Motorbike, sorry. This, very good. This picture is about motorbike. The answer is where. Remember, when we use the verb to be in the second conditional, for all the subject, we have to use where. Cuando utilizamos el verbo to be, para todos los sujetos utilizamos el where. Don't forget that. Okay, let's start with the second exercise. Second conditional. Ratun would better marks if he worked harder. In this case, what do you have to use? Gets or get? Okay, remember, when you use would, the modal would, the verb is in the base form. In this case, what is the base form? Gets or get? Very good. And you have to look carefully in that part. Okay, in this. In this case, the sentence doesn't have the comma. Why? Because you only use the comma when the first sentence is using if. Okay, in this case, no. Solo ponemos coma cuando la primera oración usamos la cláusula if. Okay, and cuando usamos would, el verbo va en su base form, get. Let's check. Very good. Second conditional. It will not near those rats if I were you. What is the correct answer? Go or goes? Okay. Remember, when you use would, the verb is in the base form, and the second sentence is with the in past simple. In this case, if we use the verb to be for all the subject, we have to use where. Don't forget that. Let's check. Very good. I would not go near to rat if I were you. Now, second conditional. If I were the president, I would the school holidays longer. In this case, what is the correct answer? Make or make? Okay, very good. Now, we have to analyze the sentence. In this case, the first sentence is using the clause if. For this reason, you have to write or you have to put the comma and then you have to write the second sentence. Now, in the first sentence, we have to use past simple. In this case, where, if I were the president, I would. What is the correct answer? Okay, the school holiday is longer. Don't forget, if you use would, the modal, the next verb is in the base form. What is the answer? Make. Very good. In present. If I were a president, I would take the school holidays longer. Si yo fuera el presidente, yo haría las vacaciones más largas. Do you like this idea? Yes? No? Okay. Okay. Remember, second conditional. In the second conditional, we have to use past simple and the modal verb would or could is the same. And you have to join these sentences with a comma. And we use the second conditional to express hypothetical situation. Okay? And this is all for our class, my dear student. Bye bye, take care. Please practice at home, okay? See you later.